We're back on our 2007 6.7, but this is kind of a deja vu moment for us all here at Lugnuts Garage because of our 2006 Lone Star build that we spent a good part of the last year building. If you're not familiar with this build, it's a 2006 Lone Star we brought up from Texas and completely restored the truck from front to back. We got a lot of videos on our YouTube page about this, but back to our 2007. So we went down to Texas again, got ourselves a 2007 6.7 Cummins. Cosmetically, it's extremely rough. Mechanically, it's fabulous. We've already got it deleted. Some of those parts are never going back on, thank God. And one of the other things that we like to do here at Lugnuts Garage is we always install a Fass Fuel System. We're going with the 165 Titanium series. Now what I love about these things, one, they're stupid simple to put in. They'll increase the longevity of your motor. Now imagine a piece of dirt getting caught in your injector at, let's say, 10,000 PSI. This is going to alleviate that happening. So you can save $3,500 in injector cost. Also what this does is it takes all the air, which helps this engine run way better, takes all the aeration out of the fuel and the dirt, separates the water, and just increases the longevity of your truck. Now this will gain you some miles per gallon and increase the longevity of your pump. So in addition to the Fass Fuel Systems that we like to do, we've tried a number of ways of doing the sump. So basically you go from nearly like a 3/8 line to that for a fuel line. Now we got to get all this fuel out of the gas tank somehow. So we're going with the XDP bottom sump kit. Now what I like about this one is it has a return line on it as well, and you can see the standoff here that goes up in the tank. We've tried the in-basket solutions. They're not perfect, a lot of work as well. So we're going to give this one a shot and circle back with you on our findings, but at first glance this looks like a really slick way to deal with the sump.